guys, and welcome to another video. It's me, Alexis, and I'm playing Don't Get Crushed by 6-7. Well, I'm bored, so I just play this. Oh no, I have to run back. Run! Right. I'm gonna wait. Bro, you need Robux. For him? Nope. Well, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm playing this. Oh my god. No. He's coming by. Now's my chance. Run!
Sis, di na makangay magdula na. You are grade 4. Ba? Grade 4 naman mo, dagko naman mo, di naman mo dapat na magduwa na.
Para Romanis content.
Mga ulit tao naman mo, ganun sipa mo magdula na, binata na.
Para manis content.
Content sa?
Gahi mo man ko video.
Magkuanday ka, mag-vlogger ka? Vlogger, kita si Mohang video.
Ngayon mo pagani ko. Roblox. Sorry, that was my lolo. I'm in the Philippines. And I don't know why. Anyways. I'm running along and I'm waiting for a...
Kasmit mo?
Oh no. Sunny 67.
Sa kala?
They... I don't know what to do, so I'm
bye-bye.
just playing this.
Hindi nga, demo.
No. Run.
Dagay.
Kuan ba? Name ba? Ay, kahapon lang. Anyways, I'm currently speaking to my friends. Sorry. Blitz. You know what? I'm starting here. Orange. 67 level 5. Hello. 67 level 5. Oh my god, I have got him. Level 56, 7 has a free. Level 6, 7. That is called the blade. Level 6, 7. That is called the blade. 7 has a free. Run. Oh my god, he's still there. That is called the boss blade. Oh hell no. Oh my god, no way. Oh my god, you got crushed. Oh my god. You died. Why did I even jump?
Alexa.
Anyway.
Alexa, imo pagka.
Left the game, bro. Anyway. You have to quit the game to make another content. And say bye. Anyways, if I get killed one more time, I'm gonna end it right here. You're just gonna say you mean you just gonna bye. You're gonna end your wait no I'm still here. I'm still here. If you die, you're gonna end your stream. Oh my god, that bacon is much faster than you. I don't know why. You have to upgrade. How do I upgrade? Oh no, run. Crush. Think that I still have. You have to jump. Jump. Oh, you died. I died. Bye.